Good day, my wonderful learners. Today, we are going to solve this relevant example on percentage. And if you are yet to subscribe, I want to encourage you to do that. A student scored 25 marks out of 60 marks. Find the percentage of his score. The score of that student is 25. While the total mark is 60. So that means we have 25 ratio 60, which is the same thing as 25 over 60. So if you want to find the percentage of the score mark, that will now be 25 over 60 times 100%. 1 0 we eliminate 1 0 here, 2 here 3, 2 here 5. 5 times 25 will give us 125 over 3. Then 3 here will give you 4, 3 here will give you 1. So we have 41 number 2 over 3%. You can also leave your answer in a decimal form. Thank you.